Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G32 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the apps which are right here on the third position. Then we have to tap on see all 45 apps, of course 45 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and that was a misclick. And here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for the disabled apps, apps notifications and default applications for apps, background data restrictions for apps and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Moto G32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.